4. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way. Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time. Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I've got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the full Mooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Yeah, city was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Save? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls. That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a decent Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
You're still chasing ghosts, Slater?
Someone has to.
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
It could be worse. Most cops in Carrion City never make it to retirement.
Retirement? With how corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old for this shit.
Slater! Sir! Dick! Detective Slater! Sir!
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking. If you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help out there.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid. But your place is here, at the station.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know if you hear anything about this stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. Detective.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't try and impress me.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things go bad, you stay behind me.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the best. Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift. Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting! All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap. Ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez! You scared the crap out of me, man! What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with a killer punchline.
something, or...
My. I do have an appetite.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver. Weaver is ready. 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 Weaver. Weaver is ready.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I am in the mood for something a little more unique.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair. Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
It seems you're all out of staples.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I... Great! That weirdo clogged the shitter! Just what I needed. I better grab the plunger. stupid thing isn't working. What the? What is that?
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and... Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity.
Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
That's what you get for sleeping on company time.
I wasn't sleeping, I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead. I don't know how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me. Anyway, I'm about to clock out.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then you can go pass out somewhere else. I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go. All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
We'll call it even for scaring me. One of the ball feeders is jammed with a ball. Can you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the easiest thing to do here.
Listen, Blair, the only balls I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later, Blair.
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter. welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment this is, with an adorable little creature running it.
Creature? Do you want to purchase a lane, or am I gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an experience.
Right, well, it's $5 a game per lane.
So direct! I like that. Sharp, clean, like a fresh cut.
Thanks, I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you were wearing a costume you just can't take off?
You mean like my work uniform?
Sure, let's call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either buy a lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling. I'll take lane 6, thank you.
Total creep. Alright, time to clean the stinky shoes. Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes. That should do it. Where did that weirdo go? He didn't even do any bowling. Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of nudies real fast. I'll eat this back at the register. Ugh, what happened?
listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have to worry much longer, my dear. It'll all be over soon.
What do you mean?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I strip it from your body. I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.